YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the first PUC model question paper of subject physics. Let me go through the question paper by detailed key answers. Let us see the first question. The first question says that the number of significant figures in 0.00230. Here, how many significant figures are there? They are asking in the question how many significant figures are there in this number, dear children. Dear children, the number before non-zero digit. Non-zero digit means except 0, all numbers are non-zero digit, is not an significant figure. The number after the decimal point of a non-zero digit is the significant figure. Means after 0 what we have? 3 digits. That is 230 is the 3 digits. So the first question's answer will be there are 3 digits. There are 3 significant figures in this number. It is the 3 means that is first question. Option B is 3. Let us see the second question. They are asking that the slope of velocity time graph gives. They are asking the slope of velocity time graph, children. What do you mean by velocity time graph? It is VT graph. The area under VT graph gives us displacement. Am I correct? And the slope of VT graph means velocity time graph gives us acceleration, children. That is acceleration. Option D, acceleration. Option D, acceleration. Let I write in the short form. Let me go to third question, children. The third question says that the direction of centripetal acceleration of a particle in circular motion is the direction of what is the direction of centripetal acceleration of the particle in a circular motion. Dear students, what do you mean by circular? What do you mean by centripetal acceleration, dear children? Centripetal acceleration is the rate of change of tangential velocity of the body moving in the circular motion. Let me go through the options, children. Towards the center of the circle, option B. Along the tangent to the circle, it is the wrong option. Option C. Away from the center of the circle. Away from the center, it means it needs a center along the perpendicular to the plane. So the last B, C, D are the wrong option. The correct option, the correct answer is option number A, towards the center of the circle. Option A, towards the center of the circle, children. Children, we are going to next question. When a moving bus suddenly stops, they are saying the moving bus, the bus is in the motion, suddenly come to rest, means suddenly stops. A passenger on it falls in the forward direction. You have feel it in the bus, children. When the driver applies the brake, you have fell to the forward direction at least one time. Just a second you will fall forward. This is due to, they are asking why you will fall forward in the bus when the bus comes to the rest. You see, children, bus comes to the rest, but not the passenger. The passenger still is in the state of motion. So the option will be, they are saying option A, inertia of rest. It is the wrong answer. Option B, inertia of the motion. Option C, children, they have done a small mistake. Option B and option C, they have given inertia of the inertia of motion. So option B and option C both are correct because they have given similar answer. Option B and option C. Inertia of motion. Inertia of motion, children. Let me go to the fifth question, that is 1 kWh is equal to, they are asking 1 kWh is equal to, they have given an option. I will write, let I write the option. 3.6 into 10 power 5 joule. B, 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. C, 4.2 joule. Option D, 8.314 joule. See here, see children, they have given all in the form of joules. 1 kWh is equal to 36 lakh joule, children. This is very, very important. 36 lakh. But there is no answer in the given option, children. We want to convert it into scientific figures. How to convert it? In the decimal form, in the standard decimal form. Let I convert this. Let us come from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let I keep here into 10 power 6 joule. I have converted into standard form because they are not given 36 lakh joule. So the option, where is the option 3.6? B is the correct answer, dear children. Let I write here option B. Option B, 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. Let me move to the sixth question. The sixth question says that the dimensional formula for torque is same as that. See children, they does not ask dimensional formula for torque. They asked dimensional formula of torque is same as. They have given option. Option A, work. Option B, moment of inertia. Option C, angular momentum. Option D, radius of gyration. See children, what is the dimensional formula for torque? You all know it comes in the second chapter, that is units and measurements. That is torque is equal to ml to the power of 2 t to the power of minus 2. Then work, they have given, they have given children, they have given work. What is the dimensional formula for work? It is also same as a torque, children. ml to the power of 2 t to the power of minus 2. So this for torque is same as work, children. For radius of gyration, it is m to the power of 0, l to the power of 1, t to the power of 0. For angular momentum, it is m to the power of 1, l to the power of 2, t to the power of minus 1. For moment of inertia, m to the power of 1, l to the power of 2, t to the power of 0. So the correct answer is work, dear children. Let I erase this for an explanation I have written here. Let I write the answer once again. Option A, work, children. They have given option A, work. Option A, work. Let me move on to the seventh question, children. Geostationary, from the gravitation chapter. Geostationary satellites are used for the purpose of, dear children, geostationary satellites are used for the purpose of communication. Let me see here the option. They have given communication or not. Remote sensing, meteorology is completely wrong. C, environmental studies, it is also wrong. D, telecommunication. Option D is the correct answer, children, because the geostationary satellites are used for communication purpose. Means option D, telecommunication, is the correct answer, dear children. That I write here once again. Option D. Let I wait. Let me move to the 8th question, dear children. 8th question says that compressibility is the reciprocal of. You all know that the easiest question in this paper, dear children. 8th question, that is compressibility is the reciprocal of. Let I read the option. Young's modulus, wrong. Option B, shear modulus, it's also wrong. Option C, bulk modulus is the correct answer, dear children. It is the easiest question. Bulk modulus, children. Let me move to the 9th question. The 9th question says that SI unit of surface tension. What do you mean by surface tension? Let I write. Surface tension is equal to force per unit length. Correct, children? What is SI unit of force? It's Newton. Per means divided by length means meter is equals to Newton per meter. Where they are given option C. That is also option C. Newton per meter is the SI unit of surface tension, dear children. Let me move to the 10th question, children. They have asked, sea breeze is. Children, do you know what you mean by sea breeze? Sea breeze will occur during the hot summer in the daytime. In that time, land will heat faster than the water, children. In that time, the water will not going to heat faster than the land. The land will going to heat faster than the water. It means water means in sea. What you will see? The water means here they have given in the daytime it will occur, dear children. The convective movement of air from sea towards the land during daytime. Okay. The convective movement of air from land towards the sea during daytime. Okay. The convective movement of air from sea towards the land during night. It is wrong. It will always occur in the daytime. The convective movement of air from land towards sea during night. It is also wrong, children. So we will compare in A and B. The convective movement of air from sea towards land. Option A is correct, children. They are saying that air from sea. When the land heats faster than the water, the air from sea, the air moves from the sea towards the land during daytime. It's the option A is the correct answer, children. Option A is the convective movement of air. The convective movement of air from land, from sea towards land. Towards land during daytime. During daytime, dear children. Option A is correct. Let me go to the 11th question. 11th question says that the lowest possible temperature is. They have asked which is the lowest lowest possible temperature in the following. They have given the options. Let I write options here. Option A 0 degrees Celsius, option B 0 degree Fahrenheit, option C 273.15 Kelvin, option D minus 273.15 degree Celsius. Here children, the both answers are 0. Now, what is the relationship between Kelvin and Celsius scale? That is, I will write here. Kelvin is equals to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Means, see the third option, if you put the 0 in the degree Celsius, it will become 273.15 Kelvin. So, this is also 0, students. These 3 also in the 0 format. And the left out is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Minus symbol, children. Minus, negative. 0 is always smaller. 0 is always greater than minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Children, they have asked lowest possible temperature. So our answer is option D. Let I erase this, children. To explain, I have written this. The lowest possible temperature is option D, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Okay, children. Take a screenshot or pause the video and take down the notes. Let I erase, the space is not there, children. Let me move to the 12th question, children. We have finished the 11th question. Let me move to the 12th question. The mathematical statement of first law of thermodynamics is given by. They are asking mathematical statement of first law of thermodynamics. Let I write here. Delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. What do you mean by delta Q? Delta Q means change in heat is equal to change in internal energy plus change in work done. Dear children, we need what is change in internal energy. So I will keep there, and this comes to this side becomes negative. Here is a positive symbol. Here delta Q minus delta W will become delta U. Delta Q means the heat transferred to the system by the surrounding. Delta W means work done by the system on the surrounding. It is internal energy of the system. So we got the mathematical formula, children. This is the mathematical formula for first law of thermodynamics. Let I write that. That is option D. Option D, children. Delta Q minus delta W is equal to delta U. Let me move to the 13th question, dear children. The molar specific heat at constant pressure. The molar specific heat at constant pressure for monoatomic volume. For monoatomic molecule, volume is not. It is monoatomic molecule. They are what they are asking at constant pressure. What will this molar specific heat? Let me do that for monoatomic gas DOF. You all know that DOF means degree of, I think you are familiar about this, degree of freedom. For monoatomic gas, degree of freedom is 3. Let me find R. R is equals to 1 plus 2 by DOF. DOF means degree of freedom. What is degree of freedom is 3. R is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3. R is equals to, let I take the LCM as a 3. 3 plus 2, that is R is equal to 5 by 3. What they have asked? They have asked constant pressure, means let I write Cp minus Cv is equal to R. What we need? Cp means constant pressure is equal to R plus constant volume. Let me find the constant volume, children. What is the formula for constant volume? R divided by R minus 1. What R is kept like that. Small r, this is capital R. Capital letter I kept constant. What is the value for R? 5 divided by 3 minus 1. That I take a LCM. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 by 3. Means R divided, see here R is there. R divided by 2 by 3. It will go into reciprocal by multiplying R into 3 by 2. It becomes 3R by 2. What is Cv? Is 3R by 2. What we need? Here Cp is equal to R as it is. What is the value of Cv? We got 3R by 2. Let I take LCM once again. It will be 2R plus 3R divided by 2 is equals to 5R divided by 2. Take down note, children. This is, we got what is constant pressure. It's a molar specific heat of constant pressure is 5R divided by 2. Where is that? Option C we got. Option C we have done correctly. 5R divided by 2. Take down, children. Pause the video and take down or take a screenshot. I will erase this. To moving the next question, dear children. Children, next question is, that is question number 14. What there? Among the following, which is an example for a motion which is periodic? Which is an example for motion which is periodic but not oscillatory, children? They have asked which is periodic motion but not oscillatory. They have given an option. Option A, motion of a simple pendulum. Motion of a simple pendulum is periodic as well as oscillatory. So that is not an answer. They asked periodic motion but not an oscillatory. Which one? Next, option B, motion of mass attached to spring. Motion of mass, some mass attached to spring on a horizontal frictionless surface, children. Horizontal, there is no friction, frictionless surface which is slightly displaced from its equilibrium position. It is displaced means there is an oscillatory motion as well as the periodic motion. So the B, option B is also not a correct answer. Let me move on to third, means C, option C. Uniform motion of a car on a straight track. Uniform motion means it is periodic, and a straight track, it is moving, means oscillatory motion. Next, that is also wrong. Next option, it is only correct because three options are wrong. Then the option D will be correct. That is option D, motion of earth around sun. Earth is moving around the sun. That is revolutionary motion, children. That is a revolution, not an oscillatory. So option D is correct, children. What is option D? Motion of Earth around sun. Motion of Earth around sun. This is the correct answer, children. Sorry, children. Sun. 15th question. We will move. In the case of third harmonic of a normal modes of an air column, which is open at one end and closed at another end. In the case of third harmonic of normal mode, let I write third harmonic as a simple diagram. In your NCERT textbook also it is mentioned clearly. See, children, they have said one end is open and another end is closed. One end is closed and one end is open. They have asked how many nodes and how many antinodes are present here. See, children, this and this are antinodes. This and this are antinodes. Where they have connected, that is node, children. Here also it is connected now. This is also node. And there are two antinodes. Two node. They have given option B. There are two nodes and two antinode, children. Option B. There are two nodes and antinodes. Next, we will move to the fill in the blanks. That is second main, dear children. They have already given the options. In that, we have to pick and fill the blank, children. Take down this. I will erase this. Children, second main, this is question number starts from 16. Let I write the options they have given in the bracket, children. First option is adiabatic. Second option, mean free path. Decreases. Linear momentum. Option 5 means option E is increases. In this, we have to fill the 5 questions. That is 16, 17, 18, 19 as well as 20. In this option, we want to fill. 16th question says that, children, when the total external force acting on an isolated system is 0. Isolated system is there is no exchange of anything, is 0. The dash of the system remains constant. What remains constant? Always the linear momentum. Here is the linear momentum. Linear momentum remains constant when the total external force acting on an isolated system is 0. Let me move on to 17th question. As height of the surface increases, the value of acceleration due to gravity always decreases, children, because acceleration due to gravity also depends on the mass of the earth. So as height from the surface of increases, acceleration due to gravity decreases. Decreases, dear children. Let me move to the 18th question. Pressure inside a fluid. Dash with depth. Pressure inside a fluid always increases with depth, children. Pressure in, let I say that pressure inside the liquid increasing with depth also increasing. So the your answer will be option. This increases. Pressure inside a fluid increases with the depth. Means fifth option, increases. Now we move to the 19th question. The average distance of the molecule, can travel without colliding is called mean free path, children. You have all know that. The average distance of a molecule can travel without colliding. They are moving without colliding means I target mean free path. It is mean free path. Next 20th question, children. According to Laplace, the sound of propagation is dash process. The sound of propagation is always adiabatic process, children. What do you mean by adiabatic process? Will found in the medium. It needs some medium. So according to what we have left, we have got 4 answers. We have left the adiabatic is correct answer because adiabatic needs some medium. According to Laplace, the sound is a medium. The sound propagation is an adiabatic process, dear children. It is adiabatic process. In that question only they have given dash process. So adiabatic process is a correct answer. Take down into your notes, children. Let I stop the class here. Let me discuss 2 marks question. It is part B, 3rd May, in the next upcoming video. If you have understood my teaching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.